Today, let's explore the powerful new features available in MockForMe DevTool, Edit Request, Live Debugger, and Global Delay. Let's get started. First, open the MockForMe DevTool and configure it using your MockForMe access token, which you can generate from your MockForMe dashboard. Once connected, make any API request from your application. You'll instantly see the complete request and response captured inside the DevTool, making it easy to inspect everything happening in real time. Now, let's enable Edit Request and Live Debugger for this request. When we send the request again, MockForMe pauses it before it reaches the server, giving us the opportunity to modify it. Here, you can edit the request headers, query parameters, and request body. Let's add a custom header and a new query parameter. Once you're done, simply click Send Request. The modified request is now sent to the server. As soon as the server responds, the Live Debugger opens automatically. This allows you to intercept and modify the response before it reaches your application. Change the HTTP status code. Simulate network delay. Trigger a request timeout. Convert the response into a file download. Edit response headers. Or completely modify the response body. This makes it incredibly easy to test edge cases, error handling, loading states, and different API behaviors, all without touching your backend. Need to simulate a slow network across your application? Simply open the DevTool settings and enable global delay. Every API request will now be delayed automatically, except requests that are already mocked or have custom rules applied. You can manage all active edit requests and debuggers from the settings panel, where you can view or remove them at any time. MockForMe DevTool gives you complete control over your API traffic, helping you debug faster, test confidently, and build better applications with less effort. Spend less time changing backend code and more time building great products with MockForMe.